On the third day after the foal was born, his mother was on the verge of death due to her frail condition. The mare had collapsed and was barely breathing, but she struggled to get up. The rancher helped her, which the foal mistook for an attack, anxiously trying to protect his mother. After being calmed by the rancher, the foal settled down. Finally, the mare stood up, and the foal went to nurse. It turned out that the foal was hungry, and the mare had struggled to stand up just to feed him. However, that was her last bit of strength, and she couldn't hold on. The foal began to cry out in sorrow, his eyes filled with tears. Even as the mare was carried away, he refused to leave because his mother's scent was still there.
Welcome to